Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today I am going to reveal what's inside my everyday carry bag. This is actually my Pacsafe Metrosafe LS100. Nabili ko siya long time ago, siguro mga 5 years, siguro 6 years. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 5 years. Okay. 5-year-old bag na po siya, as you can see. May mga signs of usage na dito. May mga signs of usage na, but it's okay. Does the job. Intact pa rin yung wire niya sa loob. For the smart lock, medyo may katigasan na pag lock. This one. Ito naman, so far okay pa rin. Okay. Ang box natin ay reveal natin yung what's inside my bag. Okay, dito. Lozenges, Lumintap EDC, Lumintap EDC. May review ako nito sa YouTube. Coin purse from Mr. Quickie. I believe mga 10 years na po ito. Dalawang ball pen. And this one is Nightcore NTP 31. Bigay sa akin ng brother ko. May glass breaker sa loob. Tactical po siya. May video din ako sa YouTube. Ito. And my trusty green apple quick notes. And car keys. May kasama siyang Nightcore Techie. And Nightcore Nismo titanium po ito. And this one is also tactical. Excuse me, can opener, carabiner, and screw, flat screw. For the main pocket, wallet and card holder, bigay din sa akin ng brother ko. And this one is my main flashlight. This one is MH12. Yolanda times ko pa ito nabili, 2013. So most likely 10 years na po. And still it does the job. Tactical din po ito. May parang nozzle holder, gun holder, and submersible for about 1 meter. Okay. By the way, this one is 960 lumens. I'll make a video about this one. Long-term review. My driver's license. Papel. And my Nightcore Leatherman rebar. Okay. Magkasabay lang po sila. If I'm not mistaken, few months after Yolanda ko po siya nabili, or a year after, parang ganun. And this one, kaisa ko pa lang po siya na maintain, na reload ko po siya. Actually, yung kapatid ko yung nag-reload, and it does the job. Okay, that's it for that video. Yun lang, thank you.